Hello everyone. First of all, introduce myself. I am Manish Tokle. Today's Viva topic is object and classes in Java. So we can see object and classes. We will learn about Java objects and classes. In object-oriented programming technique, we design a programming program using objects and classes. An object is Java is the physical as well as logical entity, whereas a class in Java is a logical entity only. Then we can see what is an object in Java. An entity that has state and behavior is known as the object. For example, chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. It can be physical or logical, tangible and intangible. The example of an intangible object is the banking system. An object has three characteristics. So we can see first one is state. State represents the data value of an object. Then we can see behavior of an object such as deposit, withdrawal, etc. Then we can see entity. An object identity is a typically implemented visa a unique ID. The value of the ID is not visible to the external user. However, it is used internally by the JVM to identify each object uniquely. For example, pen is an object. Pen is an object. Its name Reynolds. Color is white. Known as its state. It is used to write. So writing is the behavior. An object is an instance of a class. A class is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So an object is an instance result of a class. So we can see object definitions. An object is a real world entity. An object is a runtime entity. Then the object is an entity which has state and behavior. Then the object is an instance a class. Then what is class in Java? A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. It is a logical entity. It can be physical. Then we can see a class in Java can contain fields, methods, constructors, blocks, nested classes, and interface.